Exhaust checks are done. Been in the air a while. How you doing?
Just a few more hours, Heathrow. Hey, wingman. You're making me nervous. Something up over there?
I don't know.
Maybe short somewhere?
See? All you need is just a little...
Come on, Daniel. Disengage your yoke and get it figured out. Gander Center, this is IA-42. We seem to be having some intermittent instrument problems. We're trying to sort them out. IA-42.
Understood, IA-42. You're looking at clear skies ahead of you in all directions. Let us know if you need assistance.
Will do, IA-42. Daniel, I can't fly like this, man. This is IA-42. I thought you said we had clear skies.
You had clear skies 5 seconds ago, IA-42. It popped up on our screens out of nowhere. Squawk 7700. Do you have any way around this? We're showing it right on top of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please return to your seats. We seem to be...
Secure the cabin and return to your seats immediately.
Straight through.
It's night already. Sunset wasn't for another 40 or 50 minutes. We didn't black out or anything, did we?
No, nothing like that.
Sorry about that, everyone. We had a sudden storm pop up there. Good news, we've passed the worst of it. It should be smooth sailing from here on in. You'll notice that while we're going through that storm, the sun went down. That'll happen sometimes when you cross the tip of the Bermuda Triangle. Don't worry. We'll catch another sunset tomorrow.
The tip of the Bermuda Triangle?
As good an answer as any.
Anyone else's internet connection down?
Yeah, my phone signal's dead too.
Jesus, you seeing this?
I've got altitude, airspeed, fuel. But that's just enough to keep us airborne. 3/4 of a tank looking fine, but that's assuming we're still on course.
You've got control? Disengaging?
Gander Center, this is IA-42. We've gone through the storm, but it seems that most of our instruments are out. Require assistance. IA-42. Gander Center, this is London-bound IA-42. Do you read me? I'm not getting anything.
Fuses are good. I don't know what's going on.
Check the backup system. There must be something that's working.
On it.
Gander Center, this is IA-42. Do you copy? Still nothing. You?
We've got one thing humming along just fine.
Thank God for that. What is it?
Our radar system. Only thing on the plane that wasn't replaced last time they upgraded international airline avionics.
As long as that's operational, that's a step in the right direction.
How are you doing over here?
Oh,
Okay.
good, thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Can I get you something to drink?
I agree with that. Sorry, were you standing there long?
No, that's fine. What can I get you?
A ginger ale. It got dark early, didn't it?
I'm sure it's just because of the storm, like the captain said.
Thank you.
So what brings you gentlemen to England, business or pleasure?
Both. We're history professors at Eton University. There's a convention just outside of London.
They've discovered some amazing pre-war artifacts and several very distinguished members of it.
You don't have to bore the poor woman. Her eyes are glazing over already.
No, that's fine. I just need to finish this side of the plane, but I'd love to hear about it, so I'll come back.
I'm going to hold you to that.
Get out now while you still can. All right, about the Hitler map of Argentina.
What are you working on there?
Well, me, just trying to keep track of everything. You see, when you get to my age, you have to stay on top of things because, well, you never know when you're going to get another chance.
Well, I'll let you get back to it then.
Thanks a lot.
That's weird.
I got some more good news for me.
Take a look.
There's nothing there.
Not a blip.
Is the radar malfunction too?
I thought so at first, but the coordinates are moving with us. If this thing were on the fritz, it wouldn't be working at all.
So we're flying deaf but not completely blind.
There should be some air traffic showing up around us.
Okay, so let's make a loop. Try and find someone or something.
Nothing. Bupkis. According to the radar, we're all alone up here.
Maybe the storm diverted traffic. We'll wait until the radios come back up.
What if it doesn't? We're still a couple hours away from London.
That's assuming that we didn't get turned around or blown off course. If we duck under the cloud cover, we may be able to find some visual cue from a shipping lane or maybe a message being relayed from a cargo ship.
You sure that's the right move?
If no one can hear us on the ground, that's the only move we've got.
This is Cameron.
Hey, Hicks. How's it going back there?
We're all a little rattled, but we're fine.
Good. I'll be making an announcement, and I want the crew back in their seats. We'll be making a descent.
Is everything okay?
Just trying to get away from some of this high-level wind shear. Just get everyone strapped in, okay?
Sure.
Everything okay?
We need to get everyone to their seats. We're making a descent. He says it's to get away from